Okay, so here we are doing Stats and Mechanics, Year 1, Chapter 7, Hypothesis Testing. Question 3. It states, historical information finds that nationally 30% of the cars fail a brake test. Right. Number 1. Part A. Give a reason to support the use of a binomial distribution as a suitable model for the number of cars failing the brake test. Okay. Well, reasons we could have are it's pass or fail. Okay, pass or fail. Um, each car is independent because one passes the test and one fails the test doesn't have any effect on what the third car is going to do. It's a large number as well to begin with, a large set of data. Okay. Yeah, that will do for reason for there. Right. B. Find the probability that of the cars taking the test, all of them pass the brake test. Now we've got information about failing a test. So if we are failing the test at 30%, to pass it we must be on 70%, which is equal to 0.7. And so if car 1 passes, 0.7 chance, car 2, 0.7, 3, 0.7, and so it carries on going down until we have done all 5 cars, and we've got 0.7 to the power of 5, which is, I'll just go up here with it, 0.16807. There we go. So 16% chance that 5 cars will pass. Right. A garage decides to conduct a survey of their cars. Randomly selected sample of 10 of their cars is tested. 2 of them failed the test. Okay. Test at a 5% significance whether or not there is evidence to support the suggestion that the cars in the garage fail less than the national average. So let's set this up on the binomial. We have taken a sample of 10. We have the chance of failing of 0.3. Null hypothesis is going to be that the probability is equal to 0.3. It's always equal for the null. And alternative hypothesis is that cars in the garage fail less, that the probability will be less than 0.3. Okay, 5%, 0.05, one tail test. So on here we have done the selected sample 10 cars and 2 of them failed. So we are looking at the probability that X is 2 and it's going to be greater than less than 2. Okay, that they fail. Okay, and that will all become less than 0.05, and that's what we're testing against. So putting that into the calculator, number 7, coming down, number 1, cumulative binomial. Okay, x is 2, n is 10, and the probability is 0.3. And it gives us a 0.3827, which is not. So, just like the other questions so far in this bit of exercise, there is not the information. So, here we go. There is not sufficient evidence to reject HO. So the cars garage um, do not fail less. Good.